YouTube channel. In today's session, we will be working on Exp25 Word Chapter 3 Cumulative Tourism. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assessment without any confusion. If you need any help with Blackboard, Engage, My Lab, IT assignments, quizzes, simulation exam, simulation training, hands-on exercises, midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, Framer, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Now let's start today's assessment and go through it step by step. There are total 18 questions of this assessment. Let me zoom this. Here is the title of assignment: Exp25 Word Chapter 3 Cumulative Tourism. Here is a project description. As you can see that as a member of a local chapter of the Adoban Society, you are involved with an outreach to promote ecotourism, which encourages travel to natural habitats while conserving the environment in the process. You will finalize a short flyer that identifies 8 unique destinations for ecotourism, describing them in a world table. Business sponsors have agreed to support the effort and will be distributing flyers. So you plan to include selected business names and contacts in the flyer. This is a project description. Now we will move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is: start Word, download and open the file name exp25 Word Chapter 3 Cumulative Tourism. Reader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically, in this question, you will have to download this file exp25 Word Chapter 3 Cumulative Tourism from my IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from my IT Lab dashboard. Here is a file I have already downloaded. Now we will move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is: place the insertion point at the end of the document. Insert a 2 by 1 table, adjust the width of the first column to 2 inches, apply the table style of list table to accent 6. The first point is place the insertion point at the end of the document. Go to the document at the end of the document. This one, place insertion point and insert a 2 by 1 table. Insert, then go to the insert tab, then click on this table. 2 by 1 means 2 columns and 1 row. Click on this. As you can see that 2 by 1 table are now inserted. And next is adjust the width of the first column to 2 inches. Width to 2 inches. This one. Then go to the layout tab, where width to 2 centimeter. This one. And apply the table style of list table to accent 6. List style of list table to accent 6. Then go to the table design. List table to accent 6. list table list table 2 accent 6 list table 2 accent 6. Click on this. Question number 2 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is center the newly created table horizontally. Select the table and apply shading of gray. Accent 3 lighter 80%. In this question, you will have to center the newly created table. This one. Go to the file, select this table. Go to the home tab. Then center this table. And select the table and apply shading of gray accent 3 80%. Select this table, go to the table design group, then click on shading gray accent 3. Gray accent 3 80%. Gray accent 3 80%. This one, choose this color. Question number 3 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 4. Question number 4 is insert a new row between the first and second rows of the first table under the eco-friendly world destination row. Basically, in this question, you will have to insert a new row between the first and second row of the first table. This row. Now you will have to insert a new row below this one. Then go to the layout tab, then click on, then you will go to the rows and column group and insert a new row below this one. Click on this, a new row added below the first row, and enter destination in the first cell on the new row. Destination. Now you will have to add a destination. And enter description in the next cell. Description in the next cell. And enter C2 rating in the last cell on the row. The C2 rating. Question number 4 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is insert a column at the right of the last column in the table. In this question, you will have to insert a new column at the right of the last column. Go to the workbook and insert a column Then you will go to the rows and column group, click on insert right. As you can see that a new column are inserted on the right side of this table, and enter approximate visitors or years. Approximate visitors or year. And the next is text will wrap in the cell and enter data in the final two columns of the table as follows. Here is the data. As you can see that now you will have to wrap the text. Wrap text are now hidden. And add this data in the cells 8796, 8796, 8796, 8796, 91078, 91078, 9 10 7 then 8. And the next is we'll have to add this amount. Paste all these data in these cells. Copy this. All the data are now added successfully. Question number 5 are done right now. Now we will move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is, select the first table, select a border style of double solid lines 1 by 2 point accent 3 row 3 column 4. Apply the selection to the outside borders. Auto fit content of the table. In this question, first you will have to select the table, then select a border style of double solid line 1 by 2 point. First you select the table, click on this to select the whole table, then select a border style of double solid line 1 by 2 point, double solid line 1 by 2 point. Border style double solid line 1 by 2 point accent 3. First you will go to the table design tab, then click on border style, and then you will have to choose this one. The selection to outside borders auto fit content of the table, and then apply the outside border, this one, auto fit content of the table. Go to the layout tab, then then you will go to the cell size group, then go to the auto fit content. Click on this to auto fit the content. Question number 6 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 7. Question number 7 is, select the first row of the first table and merge cells. First you will have to select the first row. Select the first row of the first table and merge cells. First row. Select is the first row and merge cells. Then you will go to the layout tab, then go to the merge group, then click on merge cells, this one. Center text in the first row, then you will have to center this text. Then go to the home tab in the alignment group, paragraph group, and click on the center alignment, this one. And then apply shading of light gray background to light gray background to light gray background to. Then go to the table design group, then click on shading gray darker 50%. Light gray background to darker 50%. Light gray background to darker 50%. Click on this to apply this. Then change the font color of text in the first row to white and background 1. Bold text in the selected row and change the font size to 14. First you will have to change the font color of the text in the first row to white. Select the text Then go to the Home tab. In the color group, you will have to select white background one. This one, select this. And next is bold text in the selected row and change the font size to 14. Font size to 14. First you will have to select this text, bold this, and 14 font size, this one. Question number 7 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 8. Question number 8 is select row 2 through the end of the table and apply shading of light gray background 2. First you will have to select the rows, all the rows of this table, and apply the shading of light gray background 2. Light gray background 2. Then you will go to the table design tab, light gray background 2, apply this. And use the border printer to copy the double line format from an outside border and apply it to each vertical grid line within the table. In this question you will have to apply the border style like this, and then you will have to apply, click on left mouse button and then draw this. This one, this one, this one. As you can see that the border line are now applied on this table, this one, this one, this one. Question number 8 are completed. We have now completed 8 questions of this assessment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the student from Canada, USA, and many other countries. If you need any help with this task, feel free to reach out to me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.